Hello everyone, I am Aparna. I am studying Artificial Intelligence and Data Science at Sedu Institute of Technology. We are going to see about classification algorithm. First of all, we all know what is classification algorithm. Classification algorithms are a machine learning algorithm used to predict the category or class label of data based on their input feature. They learn patterns from label training data and classify new data into a predefined classes. Examples of classification algorithm. Suppose we want to predict whether the email is a spam or not spam. Common types of classification algorithm. There are three types of classification algorithm: binary classification, multi-class classification, multi-label classification. Binary classification. Binary classification classifies data into two classes. For example, spam or not spam. Multi-class classification. Multi-class classification classifies data into more than two classes. For example, classifying animals as dog, cat, and horse. Multi-label classification. A single data point can belong to multiple classes at the same time. For example, image tagged as a beach, sunset, vacation. The common algorithms that are used for classifications are Navy Bayes, logistic regression, decision tree, random forest, support vector machine, k nearest neighbor, neural networks. Let us discuss about Navy Bayes classification. Navy Bayes is a probabilistic classification algorithm based on Bayes' theorem. It predicts the classes of data points by calculating the probability of each class given the input features. Bayes' theorem formula: Pc of x equal to Px of y into P of c divided by P of x, where Pc of x belongs to probability of class given data. Px of c, likelihood, that is probability of data in given classes. P of c, prior probability of classes. P of x, probability of data. Let us see examples for Navy Bayes classification. In this example, we want to classify whether the student will pass or fail based on their study hours. Here I take 5 samples for the 2 input features. If the study horse is high, the result will pass. If the study horse is medium, the result is also pass. If the study horse is low, then the result is fail. These are the 5 samples I have taken as my input. Let us solve the problem. First of all, we have to calculate prior probabilities. That is, probability of pass and probability of fail. Probability of pass equal to 3 by 5. That is, total number of pass by total number of samples. Probability of fail equal to 2 by 5, that is total number of fail divided by total number of samples. Next, calculate likelihood for study horse. Here I take for study horse equal to high. There are two possible results, that is pass and another one is fail. Probability of high by pass equal to 2 by 3, that is total number of high in the pass result divided by total number of pass in the given sample. Probability of high by fail equal to 0 by 2, that is total number of high in the failed result divided by total number of fail in the given sample. 0 by 2 equal to 0. Next, we have to apply Navy Bayes formula for pass and fail results. First, we solve pass. Probability of pass by high equal to probability of high by pass into probability of pass. Probability of high by pass equal to 2 by 3 into probability of pass equal to 3 by 5. We equal to 6 by 15. We solve the fraction 6 by 15, we get 0.4. For fail, probability of fail by high equal to probability of high by fail into probability of fail. Probability of high by fail equal to 0 into probability of fail equal to 2 by 5. We multiply 0 into 2 by 5, then we get 0. Step 4. Final classification. Probability of pass by high is greater than probability of fail by high. 0.4 is greater than 0, so the model predicts student will pass. Advantages of Navy Bayes algorithm. Simple and fast algorithm works well with large data set. Application of classification algorithm. Email spam detection, disease diagnosis, sentiment analysis, image recognition, fraud detection. These are all about classification algorithm. Thank you.